Get it rolling.
Alright, so my dad is going to take an M80 and set it off in the snow. Now, let's see what happens. Okay.
Check this out. This is the M80.
Oh yeah, that's the M80 right there. Here. Let me see. Alright.
How fucking cool is that to see snow and smoke?
And that's what it turned out to be look like.
Yeah, check it out. Wow, look at that, dude.
I know.
Pretty good hole in the snow, huh?
Yep. We currently have about 6 inches or so. Jesus! We currently have about 6 inches of snow.
We'll be back with you shortly. And that is the news.
My dad threw a snowball at my ass. That was nice. Ah! What?
Who said he'd come back in?
Oh my god! I almost fell in the snow. That's sad. My trampoline's covered. Whoa! Shit, I'm setting up a death trap for myself here. God, we really were dreaming for a white Christmas, eh? Cold. It's currently 2 degrees outside, and I'm giving you a tour, sort of what it looks like here in Washington. Eek. And my dad's car covered in snow. Ah. Don't see many Honda Preludes to be covered like that. Okie dokie. Let's see if my dad unlocked the back door yet. He locked me out apparently. Cold. Maybe he went to grab more fireworks, who knows. But then again, my dad's random, so you never know with him. Jeez. Ah! Alright, so thanks for watching.